Hello students, welcome once again to Saurav's classes. I will be again going ahead and continuing with the next part of the numericals, okay, that we were doing here at Saurav's classes. Okay, so you can see question number 9 on your screen is given as a square is equal to 9 comma b square is equal to 16, and another thing that is given to us is a plus 3 and b minus 4 will not be equal to 0. That implies from here a will not be equal to 3 and b will not be equal to 4. Okay, so these are the two values that we get. Now finding the value of a from on top, a square is equal to 9, that means a is equal to plus minus 3. Since a cannot be plus 3, so a is equal to minus 3. That's the first value of a we are going to take. Then it's given as b square is equal to, what is that? B square is equal to 16. Yeah, saw that. B square equal to 16. That means b is equal to plus minus 4. Since b cannot be b cannot be over here a negative 3. Sorry, why did I do that? So positive 3. So b is positive 3 over here. B cannot be a positive 4. So b is definitely negative 4. Right. Okay, so from here b cannot be negative, just let's negative 3, let's rub that off and write it properly. So b cannot be negative 3 here. So a is 3, b is minus 4, that means a plus b you need to find. That will be 3 minus 4, and the final answer is going to come as minus 1. Do we have that in the option? Yes, we do. Part B is your answer. Let's move on to the next question, question number 10. Okay, the number of this question is not given, but don't worry, I will write the question number for you. That is question number 10. Please don't mind about the printing mistake that had happened here, but we need to concentrate on the mathematics. So let's start. So it's given as we need to find the value of x. So it's given as 1 by x minus 2 is equal to root 2. Then we crisscross multiply, that is 1 by root 2 is equal to x minus 2. Then we square both sides. Yeah, then I get 1 by 2 here. So this becomes x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so this is what I'm getting over here. Now what we can do here is, from here you can find the value of x. So 1 is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 8. I think we can make it a little bit shorter probably. We can assume that, okay, not a problem. Let's try and find out from here only. That's not a problem. So 0 is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 7. Okay, now if we do your formula for, say, Sridhar Acharya, Sridhar, Sreearcharya, Sridhar Acharya formula. If you do the Sridhar Acharya formula, then you can find two values of x from here. So x is equals to minus b, that is 8, plus minus root over b square, that is 64, minus 4 into 2 into 7 divided by 2a, that is 4. Okay, so from here finally what are we getting? We are getting 8 plus minus root over 64 minus 7 2s are 14, 4 to the 8, 8 7s are 56. Whole thing divided by a 2. So now what you must do, you must subtract that 64 minus 56. Okay, so subtract that now and write what you're going to get. You're going to get 8 plus minus root over of 8 divided by 2. So 64 minus 56 is going to give us 8. Then you can write this as 8 plus minus So that's 4 2s are 8, so 2 root 2, correct, divide by 2. Then eventually from here what can we get? From here, let's do it somewhere this side. So from here, if you take out the 2 common, you're getting 4 plus minus root 2 divide by a 2. So 2 and 2 is gone out. You're getting 4 plus minus root 2. Correct. Now let's check which answer is matching over here, and I'll tell you which answer is matching over here. No answer will match with definitely, because I have made a stupid mistake over here. I know students, all of you all are shouting over there saying, sir, you made a mistake, that's not a 2, that's supposed to be a 4. Mind you, I can hear you even though I cannot hear you, but still, okay, I know it is a very big problem, or is a very big blunder when somebody who's teaching you is making a mistake, but please don't get angry with me, as I will definitely not make the mistake again. So that is 2 over here. That means that's divided by a 2. So let us now check what will give us the answer. So you can see one of them is here. It's 4 plus root 2 divided by 2, right? So you see you've got two values over here. 4 plus root 2 divided by 2 and 4 minus root 2 divided by 2. So you can find any one of them, right? So the correct option is going to come as A, right? The correct option is A. See, because the correct option is going to come as A. Alright, because over here you see it's a minus 4. The second one, look, you might be saying that, sir, why the second one is not correct? Because this, if you write, it's coming a minus 4 plus root 2 divided by 2. So this is wrong, because it's supposed to be 4 minus root 2 divided by 2. That's how it's supposed to be. So this is the correct answer. Okay. So that's it for this question, students. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 11. Find the value of x again. Okay. So would like to do this with a different color. Okay, choosing the red one. So it's given as 1 by 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power root 3. So you can write 3 to the power negative x here is equals to 3 to the power 1 plus 1 by 2. Right, that is 3 to the power negative x is equals to 3 to the power 3 by 2. Correct? You add them, 3 to the power 3 by 2. So once you've got that, that implies from here that minus x over here is equal to 3 by 2. That implies x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So where is my answer? It's right on top, option number A. Alright, that's my answer. Okay, students, moving on to our next question. Okay, question number 12, that would be, it says find the value of m. Alright, it says find the value of m. Let's start finding the value of m. This is given as 3000, okay, into this is given as 4000. That is given as 1.2. This is given as into 10 to the power, what am I writing? 1.2 into 10 to the power m. Now this is what 4 3s are 12 into 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 1.2 is equal to 10 to the power m. So that over here will come as 12 into 10 to the power 6, 1 to 12 divided by 10. If you remove the point towards the right hand side, you will get it divided by 10. Now that 10 goes up, right? The 10 over here goes up, so that becomes 12 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 whole thing divided by a 12 is equals to 10 to the power m. So 12 and 12 is gone, so 10 to the power 7 is equal to 10 to the power m. So m is equal to 7. Alright, and do we have that answer here with us? Yes, we do. Question number 7, I mean part B, sorry. Let's go on to 13. Question number 13. Question number 13 says 2 to the power a is equal to 5. Then what is the value of 5.4 to the power a plus 2 to the power a? Okay, so 5.4 to the power a plus 2 to the power a. So 5.2 to the power a whole to the power 2, okay, is equal to plus 2 to the power a. So that is 5.5 whole square plus 5, that is 125 plus 5, that is equal to 130. So there you go, that's option number 3. Moving on to our next question, question number 14. Okay, students, question number 14 now. Now this looks like a difficult question, but mind you, this is an easy one. Okay, so this is 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square is equal to a plus b root 2. Of course you have to do a plus b whole square here. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equals to a plus b root 2. Okay, so this is a 9 plus, this is 2 2s are 4 into 2, 8 plus 4 3s are 12 root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. So that's 9 2s are 18 minus 1 17 plus 12 root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. Okay, so the first part is equal to the first part and the second part is equal to the second part. What do I mean by that? Look, this part and this part is a, okay, and this part, this whole part and this whole part is b. Okay, so moving on, so a is equal to 17 and 12 root 2 is equal to b root 2. So root 2 get cancelled out, 12 is equal to b. Now if you add a plus b, that is 17 plus 12, that is going to give me 29, and my option is option number C. So this was question number 14. Let's move on to question number 15, students. So it's telling us to find what is the value of xy to the power 3 by 2. Let's go ahead and do this question. Xy to the power 3 by 2, let's do with a different color. So that is x by 4 plus root 7, x by 4 plus root 7. Okay, now next what will be? Okay, so let us continue. Now from here, what we are supposed to get is equal to 4 minus root 7 divided by y. So now xy goes that side, and now you have to do 4 minus root 7 into 4 plus root 7. So this is going to be xy is equals to 4 4s is 16 minus 7, right? So what is going to be the answer of 16 minus 7? Is going to come as 9. So xy is equal to 9. But what about xy to the power 3 by 2? So let's put to the power 3 by 2 on both places. So xy to the power 3 by 2 is equals to 9 to the power 3 by 2. So that is xy to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 square whole to the power 3 by 2. So cancel the 2 and 2, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So xy to the power 3 by 2 is going to give me the answer as 27. So where is my answer? My answer is in the option number B. Alright, let's move on to our last question for today, students. Question number 16. Question number 16 says 4 to the power x Let's do that with a different color. 4 to the power x is equal to 25. Then we need to find 2 to the power x minus 2. So what will 2 to the power 2x, 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2x is equal to 25. That can be written as 2 to the power x whole to the power 2 is equal to 25. That implies 2 to the power x is equal to plus minus 5. Alright, now 2 to the power x is given to us. Alright, now let's go ahead and find this value. So either plus or either minus. So 2 to the power x minus 2 will give me 2 to the power x into 2 to the power minus 2. So 2 to the power x, if I put as 5, then what do I get? Look very carefully. If I put 2 to the power x as 5 into 2 to the power 2 minus 2, my mistake, that would be 5 by 4. Alright, 5 by 4. So do we have one 5 by 4? Yes, we do have a 5 by 4. And we don't have a negative term. Mind you, we don't have a negative term. So we cannot take the negative 1. So our final answer is going to be 5 by 4. So keep taking as much help as possible, student, from Saurav Sir's classes, because all the help that you'll be needing will be provided here at Saurav Sir's classes. Thank you for watching, students.